Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would remove this the side mirror on your 2019 Nissan Rouge, and you'll be, reasons you'll need to remove it is if you need to replace it because all the electrics are broken in it, or the mirror, the side outside casing is all broken and you want to replace the mirror. So first you've got to take off the inner door panel to be able to get this to pop off. And so we've removed the inner door panel, and then we've got two electric lines here that we'll want to undo. One is for a sensor that's right here in this panel, and one is actually for the mirror itself to be able to, your electronics to control it. Right, just push the clips and undo them, and now there is just push pins that you can get up on here and pop on both sides, and then there's one up top here. You can pop that out, and this is that sensor that's on the side there. So we set that aside, and then we've got 3 bolts here, or just the nuts that we got to loosen, which are going to be a size 10. So with those nuts removed, now you can just grip and pull this out, and then we'll need to got this little rubber insert that we can just press back. That holds that on there, and so that's how it's removed. And if it either come as one full unit, or if not, you would have to wind this this wire back out, which is got some tape on it to keep it sealed there. And so you'd wind it out, and then you would put more tape on it to keep it sealed. But so that's how you remove it. And if to be able to fix components if the mirror is broken. So when you have a new one, you're going to put it back in the reverse order, and with that plate sitting in there with the tape on there, we're able to line bolt holes up, and it will hold in with that plastic rubber plate. So it'll sit there, and then put the nuts on. So put the 3 nuts, tighten them and tight, and then you would just hook your electric connectors back up, as well as the one for the sensor here, and then place this on, and then just push it to snap it all back into place. Put the door panel back on, and so that's how you would replace this side mirror on your 2019 Nissan Rouge. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.